Pokemon just released one of the best collection boxes of the Scarlet and Violet era. Most of the time, collection boxes released by Pokemon come with unnecessary additions to the boxes, whether it be V-Star markers, jumbo cards, or dice, or things that most collectors have already gotten 1,000 times. This time, they finally released a collection box that gets rid of all the unnecessary stuff that not every collector needs or even wants. They finally released just cards. In it are 4 booster packs and 3 promo cards of the Mankey line, featuring holos of Mankey, Primeape, and an Annihilape EX promo card. So, let's crack into it. So here's the box. The box is beautifully designed, making it look like Annihilape just punched right through the box, just getting that nice die cut. I really like the fact that it's not coming with any unnecessary accessories. I got tired of getting pins after a while. V-Star markers, dice. I kind of don't collect ETBs anymore just because there's so much to have in there, and this product's really for people who are just going after the sets. So I haven't opened any of these. They just released on Friday. We're gonna see what's inside. I already love the Primeape and Mankey promo cards, so I'm just gotta get into it. Let's see how good these pulls are. I don't know what pack makeup is in there. I'm assuming that it's all Scarlet and Violet, either base or Paldea Evolved, but it is a Paldea Evolved box because it's released during Paldea Evolved. But ooh, I'm wrong. So it is 2 Paldea Evolved, a base set Scarlet and Violet, and then a Lost Origin. Let's take a look at these promo cards. Really, you can't really tell because of the punch pattern. I couldn't really get a good look and see if either of the promo cards for Mankey or Primeape had any swirls on them. I love this pattern. I really love the Cosmo pattern that Scarlet and Violet has. It's just so amazing, and I wish promo cards weren't the only. I wish it was like that was the holo pattern for every holographic in the Scarlet and Violet era, because it's so much better than everything that's come before it. It's just a shame that it's only for promo cards. Look at that Mankey. It's amazing. I think it's just worth it just for the promo cards. Just for the promos. Here is the code card for the box. I'm pretty sure you get the promo cards. I'm not sure. I haven't entered the game in a while, but let's take a look at the Annihilape EX. It's really beautiful too. I do like that they put the star patterns on the EXs. Alright, now let's see if this box is worth it in terms of pulls, because I've heard conflicting reports. It's only been out for like a day, and I've heard conflicting reports. Some said that it's still bad, but I don't have any extra things around to throw out or give away later. We'll see. So we're gonna go left to right and see what we can pull. I still haven't gotten Iono from Paldea Evolved, so still looking there. Always be nice to get a Miriam. Or a Grusha. Grusha would be nice too. 1 to the front for Scarlet and Violet. It is interesting that it's Lost Origin. That is the 4th pack, because it's not even like the last set that released for for Sword and Shield. You'd think it'd be like Silver Tempest, and or it's not. It's obviously not gonna be Crowns either, but you think it'd be like Silver Tempest. That's the last Sword and Shield set, but now they went for Lost Origin. All right, no special illustration. No special illustration, but we did get a holo Tyranitar. I don't like the Scarlet and Violet regular holo pattern. It's just there's not anything to it. That's why I wish it was like the Cosmo, the Galaxy, whatever you want to call them. Some people call them Galaxy. Hollows, some people call him Cosmo. I call him Cosmo. I call him Cosmo, not Cosmos, because it always reminds me of Fairly Odd Parents. Nothing in our first pack, but let's see what we get in our second. As always, use the codes wisely. Good luck. Second pack of Paldea. Rookity. Would love to pull the Iono. That'd be a really great pull. We've opened 2 whole booster boxes on one live stream and weren't able to get it. But 2 Tyrantars? Back-to-back packs and 2 Tyrantars? Oh my god. This might be a pass. Oh my god. Yes, before I continue, I can say Pokemon is entirely luck-driven. It is very, very luck-driven. Does not matter what product, it's all random. Except for UPCs. UPCs screw you over. Just because they're hundreds of dollars. Alright, our Scarlet and Violet base. Now, the one card that I have not been able to pull from Scarlet and Violet base is the Full Art Annihilape EX. It is my chase card. Have not been able to pull it. I haven't opened a ton of base since Paldea Evolved came out, but that is the one card that I'm still after because I was able to pull the Miriam during one of our live streams, but Arcanine eludes me. Ooh, and a Toad School Illustrator. That's pretty nice. But look at the screen. It's pretty nice. Last card. And a Skeledirge. Not bad. I don't think we have a Toad School. Yeah, I don't think we have one of these. That's a new card for me. Not bad, not bad, not bad. It's not getting our money back, but I'd rather have bulk than accessories that I don't use. All right, our last pack, Lost Origin. Lost Origin is one of the last sets from Sword and Shield. It does have that elusive Giratina V alt that eludes me to this day, but it also has a trainer gallery, so let's see what we can pull. It is 4 to the front. Let me see if I did that right, because I always mess up. Alright. Apparently I am one of the few content creators that has a negative mindset of Lost Origin, because it hasn't been a very lucky set for me, and I think it's Fusion Strike, but with the trainer gallery. If I pull the Giratina here, it's gonna be a different... It is not, it is a Volo. Volo Hollow. Get that, there we go. So, not very good pulls. Not very good pulls at all, but I like the promos. The Mankey line does not get enough love in general, and I love that they gave Primeape an evolution finally after so long, because I had always thought that it was a 3-stage evolution, like felt in my bones it was a 3-stage evolution, and they finally gave Annihilape to us. It's just a nice change of pace, and I'd like Pokemon to keep doing this. I don't need more jumbo cards of the promo. Don't need them ever. I mean, I know some people like to collect them, but there should be another option, and I think this is the option. Just give us 4 packs. I love that there's 3 promo cards instead of just 1, but just give us packs. You just want packs. You just want to rip open stuff. Now, this box does retail for a little higher than your usual 4-pack box. It goes for about $21.99. I have a link in the description so you guys can get your own. It's just a little bit more expensive than what we're accustomed with 4 packs, because usually a 4-pack box would be about $20-ish, but it does come with the 3 promo cards. So you're not getting accessories, but you're getting 3 promo cards, so it's a little bit more expensive, which is, again, not bad. But if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to keep up to date with our latest videos and whenever we go live. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Take care.